Ken and I showed you this tractor in the spring at the Farm Machinery Show, but we didn't have a chance to operate it. That left one question forefront in our minds, and that is, are there claims about the quietness of the cab real or fabricated? And that's what we're going to take a look at here. $76 dB. It's very nice. Air conditioner, very nice.
Run it around some if you want it.
Try it out. It's amazing.
Hey folks, if you're doing the... We're inside. Let's see. Throttle. Tim did a dB rating. I don't know what it is, but it's definitely respectable so far. Loader is, wow, that's fast. Loader is really nice and responsive. Put this thing in high gear, it's a little dragging. The hydrostat's a little bit noisy. I'm going the wrong way.
Ken, what are your thoughts?
Really nice inside, respectably quiet. I don't know what the dB rating you saw was. The hydrostat was a little bit noisy running around there, but I was in high gear, a little bit whiny. I can do down and curl at the same time sometimes. I can't do up and or down and dump sometimes. So the loader, but the speed of the loader is nice. The speed at which it operates at higher RPM is really nice. I love the layout. It's so comfortable. It's roomier, as roomy as my 3 Series.
Yes, the cab is incredibly roomy.
Yeah.
The cab measured 76 dB.
Wow.
Now that's with the throttle wide open.
Yes.
But I wasn't moving. If I did loader work and a little bit of hydrostatic right here in the pile, I was seeing maybe 78.
Okay.
But that is incredibly quiet for a subcompact tractor. And the air conditioner,
Working.
it works
It
great.
was cold.
It works incredibly.
And the fan's only on number 2.
This is a subcompact. Now, in our earlier video, some people got on my case and said, oh, there's others. No. There's no other tractors with the tiny rear tires, right? True subcompact tractors with an air-conditioned cab, or at least there wasn't this spring.
And this model doesn't have it, but the one inside does, an optional self-leveling loader kit that you can bolt right onto this loader. So if you don't want it, you can take it off, or if you do want it, you put it on. You don't have to buy a whole new entire loader system just to get the self-leveling feature.
You know, that's not the biggest news I found today. That's incredible. But the biggest news I saw was they have a true auto connect deck option.
Ah, yes.
So
PTO
it comes in 2 different kits. One is to auto connect physically the deck.
Right.
And the other kit is to auto connect the PTO.
Right. What other manufacturer has that?
There's only one. So this is the second.
Yes.
These guys are innovating.
They're working and they're doing well. They're doing good. The ergonomics are fabulous. Yeah, I mean, even the little vent doors down here, so if you want some fresh air, you can leave them open.
Yes, but the whole point of those vent doors is to be able to get to the loader. You can remove the loader from the cab, take those little doors down.
A wonderful sun shield here built in, windshield wiper, front. I think a rear is optional if I remember from the spring demo we did. Rear window defroster. Backhoe optional. So that's another thing.
I don't know that you'll find a more luxurious subcompact tractor. I want to take it on that circle. Come on, get out of the chair.
Absolutely.
Get out of the chair.
Come on in.
Dave, you're next.
I'm experimenting here with two functions at once, meaning raise and dump or raise and curl, lower and dump, that type of thing. The valve feels differently than any I've operated before, but I think I could get used to it.
I put the steering wheel up for you, Dave.
Appreciate that.
I know you like the steering wheel up.
I'm gonna say this might be kind of tight for me. We'll find out.
Oh, I don't think you'll find it tight.
He likes that trucker feel?
Yeah, he likes that.
Driving a big rig feel?
All right, hydrostat.
Look at that, there's even room for his cowboy hat.
I thought you could do two functions at once. I just thought the valve behaves differently than what I'm used to.
I could get it to go down and dump. I couldn't get it to go up and curl.
So I could,
Okay.
but I think the valve just behaves differently than the valves I'm used to.
Yeah, I get it. I understand.
And so I think with a little more practice,
Oh yeah.
I could get it.
I agree with that.
It didn't do it, in other words, quite as soon as I wanted when I would, but I like their focus on the rear weights there. Those are 84-pound weights. That's a nice, good weight.
Yeah.
You add that with the cab, maybe you could get by without rear ballast. I don't know. I still felt like when I was driving around the circle that some 3-point ballast would have made it ride more comfortable.
It was bumpy.
Yeah.
Definitely a bumpy yard.
What do you think, Dave?
Pros and cons.
Yeah?
Some likes, some dislikes. The cab is actually super spacious.
Yeah, plenty of room for you, isn't
and
it?
this is comparable to 1025R, right? Same size tractor.
Yep,
But you're never going to find one of these on a 1025R. This cab is incredibly nice.
it really is.
So, I mean, if you want a cab tractor, this is pretty sweet. And
Yeah.
they got integrated pockets where you can get to take the loader off.
Yeah, you can take the loader off from inside. Reach right down there and grab
Yep.
those
I like that.
latches. So no pins to remove on the loaders.
No, and you can get to the hydraulics from this side. It's not single point, but you can get to them.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, Ken, what's your high point?
The hydraulics, really fast and really smooth operation. Really quiet cab.
Yep, Dave?
Yeah.
I also like the cab. Thought it was really nice and spacious. It's a lot of cab for a 1 Series tractor. I mean, almost more room than our 3 Series cab, to be honest.
I'm shocked. This is the most luxurious subcompact tractor I have ever seen, I believe. This is pretty amazing. If I have one con, okay, I have to find something. I have to find something, right? I felt like the hydrostatic transmission, it really feels like it may have to struggle to have the necessary power to move. And I don't know how that would be. It might be fine when I'm actually under load, it might do fine.
Right.
It just seems like it has to whine a little more and struggle just a little bit more.
Right. More throttle pedal, more skinny pedal.
I would love to try the self-leveling loader on it. I think it would work really well.
Yeah.
The way the joystick operates.
Quick detach loader, that's incredible.
From the cab even.
You recommend it?
Absolutely, I would.
I would recommend that you take a serious look at this subcompact tractor if you're interested. And you can dress it up with the Auto Connect deck. self-leveling loader. It's quick detach. It's
Backhoe compatible.
even with the cab.
A thumb possible.
Yep, thumb add-on kit for the. It's incredible. They've really stepped up their game. Hope you guys have enjoyed this quick one. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim.
It is not fitting for a fool to live in luxury. How much worse for a slave to rule over princes?